Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ayomidegraphix. In this video, we will be learning how to create a birthday flyer. Without wasting much of your time, let's get into it. Open your Pixellab, you go to image size. Now you are typing your image size, that is 736 by 841. Then our next move is to import our background image. Then you lock it after that. Next, we bring our next second resources, kind of a spring or something, yeah, for the background. Change the color. Now we are putting another resources is kind of a movie equipment used for filming. Yeah, some of you might be wondering why are we having this. Is because the person we are doing it for is an actress, so this will portray like movie acting, so to show that the person is an actress or an actor and an actress. Now we'll have to rotate the third one. Use 3D rotate using the Y axis. You see, change the direction. That's it. 3D rotate. Now we bring in our sunflower. Now we'll copy it into 3 places. Now we'll take it to the bottom right side of our design. Yeah, I love that. Arrange it well. Now the next thing we are going to draw is our overlay. We are going to draw our overlay now. Now reduce the opacity to about 70%. Now lock every resources there, every object there. We locked everything. Now the next thing we are going to do now is to check our grid. We draw our grid. Click it there, second to the right side of your phone at the top side. Now we want to give it number. The horizontal line should be 15. The vertical is 15. You see. Now we have to bring our objects one by one. Now this is our circle. Yeah, we inject our object the circle. I'll give it color brown. Yeah, after giving it color, now we have to give it stroke. The stroke will be kind of white. That will be white. Then the stroke width should be 4. Yeah, 4 is good. Now we have given it shadow. Now the next stage is to copy more sunflowers. Now you see, click that, then copy, click on copy. You see, now we have about 5 sunflowers. Oh, that's good. Now you bring them out one by one. Yeah, that's good. I think we have 5 sunflowers now. That's good. Now let us take it to the back. You drag it to the top, automatically they are at the back now. You see, that's good. That's lovely. Now we arrange it very well. Whoa, that's good. I think we are cool with that. Now the next thing is to bring in our lovely picture. Now wow, that's our beautiful lady over there. So beautiful. Love that picture. Now let us edit the picture. Place it there in front of the semicircle and the flowers there. Now let us show our grid 15 by 15. We have to check it very well. So I love to use grid to check my work. Now lock it. Now the next stage is to draw a shape for the date. That's a rectangle and a circle, joining them together to form this kind of shape. Yeah, that's good. Now we are done with editing. Now let us merge them together. Click on that merge and mark it. Are you sure you want to merge? Yes, merge it together. Now they are one. Wow, that's good. Now give it a stroke. Yeah, stroke width of 4. Wow, the position is good. I like the positioning at the top there. Yeah, I like using grid. Check my work very well. If it's neat, it's accurate. I love the angle. That's neat. Now the next stage is to type our date. 5th, yeah, 5. Increase it 100. Size, then the font, lemon milk, bold. Yeah, I like using lemon milk. Then take it there. We go for the month, that's December, DEC. Now the text size, we're going to 50. Then the fonts, I'll also be using lemon milk bold. Now let's move it there. Well, now let me use my grid to check. Oh, I think it's correct. It's correct. Yeah, I love that. Now, as you can see, we are creating a good birthday flyer. Look at it, it's looking beautiful. It's looking beautiful. Now let us create the frame. Yeah, we are creating the frame. This side, yeah, that's at the top right side. That frame, we are creating the frame. The first thing we are going to do is to lock everything down. Copy our flower, that's sunflower. Yeah, copy that. Yeah, check the positioning. That's why I love to use grid. Check the positioning, it's good. Lovely. Now the next thing is to bring in our frame. Wow, love this frame. Bring in our frame. Yeah, using circle. Yeah. Now, as you can see, we are getting there. Look at the flyer. The birthday flyer is looking beautiful. We are almost done. Now the next stage now is to draw this shape, that the circle. As you can see, I love to use grid. I love using grid to make sure my work is accurate. Yeah, when you use grid, you make sure your work is professional and looking good. Now give it color. Not gradient color brown. Then the stroke, yeah, I love using 4 with stroke. Now that's it. You get the measurement. Then let us import the image. Wow, I like this picture, I like the smile. Yeah, she's smiling, it's beautiful. I love that smile. Now let us cut it, crop it out, mark it. Wow, that's it. Now what we are going to do is we are going to mask this image into shape. So for those of you that doesn't know how to mask an image into shape, you can check my description below. When you check the description below, you can see the video, the link for the video of how to mask an image into shape. Let's continue now. You block it or lock it rather. Yeah, reduce the opacity. Then go to max tool. Use the max tool to edit our image. Yeah, we are maxing an image into shape. When you are done, you click the enable button. Now max mode in. Click the mark button, then you mark it. You are done. Then opacity, you increase it back to 100. Wow, look at that. Oh, we have to do 1 or 2 changes. There's 1 of these there. Oh, 1 or 2 changes there. Oh, 1 or 2 changes. Yeah, we are done. I've done those changes. Now the next thing to do is to merge the both of them together. Merge the both. See, are you sure you want to merge it together? Wow, that's it. We've merged it together. As I said earlier, if you don't know how to max an image into shape, you can check the description below of how to max an image into shape. Wow, look at it. Wow, we are getting there. Look at the picture, it's beautiful. The flyer is going good. Now the next thing to do now is to bring in our text. Yeah, the name. Wow, now I love the name Jackie Appiah. Wow, we're almost there. The next thing is to import our birthday font, happy birthday font. Import the font. Wow, that's it. Whoa, love it. Now that's the happy birthday font. Then we'll give it color. I'm going with the brown, yeah, initial color, and white as the stroke width 4. Oh, that's lovely. Position it well. That's lovely. Now you lock it. Now, yeah, that's good. Now the next stage is to create our gradients at the bottom side, yeah, of our flyer. And for those that doesn't know how to create gradients, I have a video too at the description below how to create gradients. You can check the description below if you don't know how to create gradients. Yeah, wow, that's lovely. Wow, we are typing our last word. Wishing you long life and prosperity on your birthday. Yeah. Wow, it's looking beautiful. Good, I love that. Now let's save our image. Click on dimension ultra. Wow, as you can see, that's how to create a good and amazing graphics. If you like this video, kindly click the subscribe button below and the like button. You can also share this video across the socials, and most importantly, please comment on what you think about this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.